Welcome back to Car TV Show, where we bring you the hottest rides, the latest innovations, and the legends reborn. And today, we have something truly special, and one of the most iconic names in American muscle history is back. This is the 2025 Pontiac GTO convertible. And it's here to make a statement. It's finally here, the rebirth of an American muscle legend. The 2025 Pontiac GTO convertible is more than just a name returning to the streets. It's a statement, a bold, unapologetic blend of classic muscle heritage and modern performance. For years, enthusiasts have dreamed of the GTO making a comeback, and Pontiac has delivered in a way that pays tribute to the past while embracing the future. The design is unmistakably GTO, with aggressive lines, a sculpted hood, and a wide stance that commands attention. The signature split grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, is a modern take on the classic look, while the muscular fenders and quad exhaust tips hint at the power lurking beneath. And let's not forget it's a convertible, bringing open-air freedom to this modern muscle car. Under the hood, Pontiac brings the heat. At the heart of the new GTO is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, pumping out an incredible 720 horsepower and 650 pounds-feet of torque. This beast is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for the purists or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic for those who want maximum performance with every shift. The result, a 0-60 time of just 3.2 seconds and a top speed that easily pushes past 200 miles per hour. But this GTO isn't just about brute force here, it's built to handle a completely redesigned suspension system, adaptive dampers, and an advanced limited slip differential ensure that all that power is put to the ground efficiently. The lightweight chassis, combined with a near-perfect weight distribution, means this isn't just a straight-line monster. It carves corners with precision, and with massive Brembo brakes, stopping power is just as impressive as acceleration. Inside, the GTO convertible blends muscle car nostalgia with modern luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a flat-bottomed steering wheel, performance bucket seats, and a digital instrument cluster that gives real-time performance data. A massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps everything connected, while the premium Bose sound system ensures that even with the roar of the V8, you can still enjoy your favorite tunes. And for those long highway cruises, Pontiac has added all the modern conveniences: heated and ventilated seats, a head-up display, and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Dropping the top is effortless, with the fully automatic soft top that retracts in just 10 seconds, letting you experience the raw power and sound of the GTO in the open air. Whether you're cruising along the coastline or tearing up the track, this convertible delivers an unforgettable experience. On the road, the GTO feels alive. The exhaust note is aggressive, growling at low revs and screaming at high RPMs. Every gear shift is precise, every throttle input met with instant response. It's a car that begs to be driven hard, yet remains comfortable enough for everyday use. Safety and technology haven't been overlooked either, with advanced stability control, multiple drive modes, and a performance data recorder. The GTO is as intelligent as it is powerful, and thanks to its aerodynamic enhancements, it remains planted at high speeds, giving drivers the confidence to push it to the limit. This is more than just a car-up, it's a resurrection of an icon. The 2025 Pontiac GTO convertible takes everything that made the original legendary and amplifies it for a new generation. Power, performance, style, and heritage, all in one breathtaking package. So, the question is, are you ready to take the wheel? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. The legend is back, and it's better than ever. Closing shot, the GTO accelerates down the road, top down, leaving behind a trail of tire smoke as the Pontiac emblem fades onto the screen.